We absolutely love the dog run and have been putting it to good use lately. The dogs hang out there often, and it's great to have a safe place for them to run around and annoy each other. However, these last few weeks have been toasty, and there isn't really a shady place for the dogs to relax and take a break from their shenanigans. It's even hot for us humans when we're in there with them. I took the temperature of the brick in the sun, and it was over 125 degrees. And at this point, it was only 81 degrees outside. I considered a few options and decided to install a sunshade sail over part of the dog run. I have to say, it's made a world of difference. It was really easy to put together, so let me show you how I did it. I picked the 4 points of where it would attach and measured the distances. The width of the space is about 9 feet. I ordered a shade that is 8 feet wide by 10 feet long. When it arrived, I got right to work. I used a masonry bit to punch a hole near the top of the brick wall. I put a lag shield in the hole and screwed a lag eye bolt into the shield. The shield expands as the bolt goes in, preventing it from slipping out. The lag eye bolt and shield did not come with the shade. I had to get those separately. This other hardware that attaches directly to the wood did come with the shade. I screwed it in directly across from the first hook. In order to get an accurate spot for the next 2 hooks, I attached the shade. I pulled the shade taut, picked a spot on the wall, and followed the same steps as before to get the 3rd connecting point. When the 3rd point was attached, I pulled the sunshade tight again to pick the 4th point on the wood framing against the wall. I hooked it on, and just like that, we have a sunshade sail. It came with turnbuckles to adjust the tension, but I didn't really have to adjust them. The fit was pretty much perfect. That's better, huh? Now we feel much more comfortable hanging out there with the dogs and letting them be out there for longer periods of time because they can escape the heat on the hot days under the sail. So much more time for play. Okay, that's it for now. See ya.
Thank you.
Oh, the scritches. Jiffy,